So let's get straight into the video. So trick number 1 is simple using reaction for messages. Now this is a brand new feature on WhatsApp that has been rolled out on the latest update. So make sure before trying out this feature, update your WhatsApp business or your normal WhatsApp application through Play Store. Only then this feature will work out. So reaction messages is a feature through which you can react to messages by long pressing it and selecting the emoji that you need to use to react to that message. Before we used to use emojis through our keyboard, but now WhatsApp has given this feature of reacting to a particular message by long pressing it and selecting the emoji that is suitable for that message to be reacted with. So this is a brand new feature by WhatsApp. So again, please update this application, only then you will get the access for this feature. So trick number 2 will let you hide your last seen status from particular contact, and this feature was in the talks to be out soon, but now that it's finally here, you have to update your application to the latest update, only then you will have access to this feature. And keep in mind that this feature is not still out there for WhatsApp business users, so you guys have to wait. So you can find this feature on your account settings, privacy, and click on last seen, in which you have to tap on my contacts, except you have to choose the contacts from which you have to hide your last seen status. So after doing that, your last seen status will be hidden from all those contacts which you have chosen separately. You can also do the same with your profile picture by using the same steps mentioned. Trick number 3 is also a privacy feature which will let you to disable all the pop-up notification of the messages that come to your home screen. Now this usually happens when we are in a crowded place where many people take a peek into our smartphone on who is texting us and so on and so forth. So in order to disable the open notification of WhatsApp which comes into your smartphone, you have to go to your settings, click on notification and disable high priority notification. Now what this does is to disable the pop-up notification of messages which comes into your smartphone, but still you can see your messages that comes into your phone by dragging your notification shade. You will not receive automatic pop-up notification if you disable high priority messages. So this feature is very useful when you are in a crowd where there are a lot of people taking a peek at your smartphone on who is sending you a text. Trick number 4 will let you to use bold text for words on WhatsApp, and this feature might be known to many other people, but still there are people who don't even know this. So in order to do that, you have to use asterisk or star symbol at the beginning and end of each word, which makes that word particular highlighted in bolded text. Now this will help people to understand what you're trying to stress on a sentence or what you're trying to highlight on a sentence, making it easy for them to understand a very long message that you're trying to type. So you can use the asterisk or star symbol at the beginning and at the end of a word, making that word highlighted in bold text. The last and final trick will help you to send an image without even downloading it from Google. For that, you have to go to the Google Images search and search for the image that you want to send to a person, and long press on it and click on copy image and go to the person whom you want to send the message to, and paste that particular image that you copied from Google Images on the chat box of the person whom you want to send that message, and then your image can be sent without even downloading it from Google. This trick will help you to save your storage and time. So you guys try out this trick and let me know your thoughts in the comments below. These are some of the cool and useful tricks on WhatsApp that you guys can try. And share this video with all of your friends if this video was useful, and also don't forget to like to this video because it will help me reach in the algorithm. And also, you know the drill, just click the red color subscribe button below and make it gray, and also press the bell icon to get all the notifications whenever I post any new video. For now, this is me, Arnav, signing off in the video. Until the next one, stay home, stay safe, take care, and bye bye.